Muzata.
Muzata jaw turnbuckle series includes 4 models. Since they are capable of 180-degree rotation, jaw turnbuckle kits are not only great for horizontal railing but also perfect for angle installation like stair railing. And they are detachable in case sometimes you need to remove the cable railing. Muzata CK08 is made of T316 marine-grade stainless steel. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications including coastal environment. Muzata CK20 is an upgraded version of CK08 with slimmer turnbuckle. Muzata CK19 is another upgraded version of CK08 with straight and slim turnbuckle for better appearance. Muzata CK18 is CK19 plus 2 I-lag screw. We need a hydraulic crimper to swage cable on terminal, some stainless wire rope and a cable cutter to cut the wire rope. We have a variety of styles with different specifications on Muzata one-stop shop, including lots of all-in-one solution kits and accessories. They have been organized in order for your convenience. You can buy everything you need in a minute. Just scan the QR code or use the URL on screen to visit. Firstly, divide the height of post into equal length for each run and mark with pencil. Then we start from the small terminal side. Mark position for I screw. Drill a hole before installing could make it much easier to screw in. Screw in with a wrench. Detach them by removing the ring. Install small terminal. Put cable into small end and swage it twice with Muzata hydraulic crimper to fasten cable. Then we can install the turnbuckle side with pretty much the same steps. We need to extend the turnbuckle before measuring the cable length, so there will be some extra room for tensioning cable at the last step. Measure the length of cable, mark and cut. Put cable into turnbuckle and crimp. The last step, tighten the cable by rotating turnbuckle. And fasten turnbuckle with the 2 nuts. Then we have finished a run. It is easy to do it all by yourself without being a pro. If you have any questions about the product or any problems while installing, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. We are happy to help. We will upload more videos regularly. You could get the latest videos by subscribing this channel. Just click the logo on screen.